From the Global View Databases dashboard, click the Monitor button and choose Oracle. A pop-up appears. A link is available at the top of the pop-up to add multiple agents. In this example, we'll add only a single agent. A link below that allows the user to choose which agent manager to install the agent on. We will use the default in this example. There are two radio buttons giving the user the option to load a TNS file or to enter connection details. In this example, we will enter the connection details of the host port and either the server's name or the SID. Next, enter the user ID and password. At the bottom of the pop-up is a link to edit the listener, a link to choose which alarm template should be assigned, and a checkbox to override the agent name with a custom name. To the right of the panel, there is the option to add SQL PI. We will leave this turned off as this will be covered in a later video. Next, use the checkbox to decide if OS monitoring will be enabled. Then click the Specify OS Credentials link to choose the OS credential to connect with. The user has the option to enter one of several types of credentials or to choose a stored credential that has previously been used in the system. In this example, we enter a username and password. Then click Apply. The VMware checkbox and link can be used if the Oracle instance is located in VMware and an ESX login is available. Click the Monitor button. A pop-up may appear if the installer detects this is a rack cluster or rack 1 node. The user may be prompted to identify to choose which type of rack and then confirm or correct the connection details. In the final pop-up, click the Add Another Database button or Close. After a moment, the new agent will appear in the dashboard and begin monitoring.